Oh, your mama, oh, has another baby. Dinalaw nila yung mama nila, oh. Malaki na sila, tapos mag-baby na naman ang mama nila. Oh, see? Only one still. Maybe only one. Winter, maybe only one? I hope. Hi, baby! Look at your mama cat, oh. Everyone says a visitors. Come on, guys, oh. Tingnan mo din, ah. Huh? Oh, your mama has a baby. That's why she don't like it. She don't like you anymore, you know? Winter. Oh, your baby is so cute. Ang liit-liit. Parang yung baby niya nung una, hindi naman ganyan kaliit.